early morning, everyone. About 1:32 a.m. now. Thunderstorms continue to head towards Kansas City. The ones heading towards Kansas City are just weak compared to others that are in the area. Let's take a look and see what's going on. We look at live ESP. You can see the activity in a line now from the Nebraska border down to the Oklahoma border. And the strongest thunderstorms are north of Manhattan, Kansas, still out of our viewing area, and approaching Hiawatha. There is a severe thunderstorm warning for Brown County for that cell up there. Farther down south the line, that one that was near Wichita has weakened. In fact, it just fell apart and no longer has any lightning with it. In fact, take a look. No lightning on that lead cell. How far away are these thunderstorms? Let's go put on our distance tool. The ones from Kansas City, these are really a long ways off. So about 4.5 hours away. That would be 6 o'clock in the morning if they hold together. The whole area in here, right in this area there, that area has actually weakened considerably. So we continue to track these thunderstorms. They are moving off to the east. The line is heading our way, but another 4 to 6 hours. 112 tornado reports, 331 total reports, as this continues to be just a significant and major tornado outbreak. Still tornado warnings up in northeastern Kansas with that one big cell west of Hiawatha. We'll have to watch that as it tracks towards Nebraska along the border there. And still no watch or advisory in effect for Kansas City. So what you can expect for the rest of tonight, this line of thunderstorms to the west will be moving our way, coming in, see 134 between 4 and 6 o'clock in the morning. We'll keep watching it for you, but the threat for Kansas City is low, except for we'll have to watch and see if those thunderstorms intensify. Stay with 41 Action News. We'll keep you advised.